Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to have a very interesting conversation with a very special guest. Yes, today I'm going to have a live conversation with someone very special to me. She's my 5-year-old daughter and I was busy working, she was getting bored, so I thought of engaging her in a conversation with me. So I'm going to have a conversation with her. So I'm going to speak to her on different topics so that you can understand how you can start speaking in English, how you can start having a conversation in English, and what topics you can take up and how to answer that question, or how to speak on that topic. Okay, so it will be a live conversation. You will definitely enjoy this conversation, but you should focus more on what has been spoken. This way you'll start getting an idea on how to speak on any topic with anyone, anywhere. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So guys, let's start the conversation now. Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing.
Oh, you're doing nothing? Really?
Yes.
So, I just wanted to talk about how was your summer camp, baby?
That's good.
Good. Okay. What did you do there?
I did lots of activity in first day of summer camp. I only did warm up and nothing.
Oh, okay. So there was some sports activity?
No, only warm up. But second day, third day when I keep going to summer camp, the things keep going more. Just like second day I played a little bit, exercised a little bit.
Oh, great. So played and exercised. And what about painting, singing, dancing? Anything happened there?
No.
No.
Painting, turmeric and soapy water. It was the color.
Soapy water. That was a science? That was a science experiment, I guess. Science?
No.
No.
No. That was only coloring experiment.
Oh, okay. And what about science experiment? You told me that there was some science experiment also which you did about the volcano thing.
Yes.
What was that? Can you please explain?
Yes, I will explain.
Yeah, tell me. What did you put inside?
I will tell you. Water. And vinegar.
Oh, and?
Wait, let me recall it.
I think soda was also there.
Yes, soda.
Okay, and what happened?
Water.
Okay, water. So what happened when you put everything inside?
Then the volcano erupted. When we put the balloon, it started bursting, means it was blowing up and up and up and up.
Oh, wow. That's nice. You said volcano erupted and then you spoke about balloon. So what? So it was a balloon or it was a volcano?
It was a balloon volcano.
Oh. Okay, you speak to AI also, right? What do you spoke to AI today?
Sorry?
You speak to AI, right?
Right.
You had a conversation today with AI?
Yes, I can even talk now.
What conversation you had with AI today?
Today I had nothing, only about food, my favorite food.
Your favorite food? Oh, what did you tell AI about your favorite food?
Dosa.
Wow.
Yo.
That's nice. Okay, and what did the AI tell you about her favorite food? Did she say something?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, she doesn't eat because she's not a human.
Oh, she doesn't eat because she's not a human. Oh, that's nice. So you enjoy talking to AI?
Yes, I enjoyed a lot.
Oh, that's nice. She answers all your questions?
Yes, she answered all my kinds of questions.
Does she understand all your questions?
Sorry?
She understands all your questions?
Yes, that's why I told her she puts in her body and she saves.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay, baby, then. Okay, you take care, you play well, and I'll see you then. Okay? Our time is over now.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. So this is how I had a conversation with my daughter on different topics like summer camp, how was her summer camp, and she speaks to AI also. She enjoys speaking to AI. And I just mentioned that here because I want you also to take up AI and start speaking to it. The AI understands everything, responds to all your questions, and it's so easy to take up. She also speaks to AI very frequently and she enjoys that conversation. So whether it is Gemini, whether it is Copilot, whether it is ChatGPT or any other AI which is there in your phone, you can just take up and you can start speaking to them. Just for 5 minutes every day. That will be your speaking practice basically. So this is how I had a conversation with my daughter. Right, so in this way you can also start taking up any topic and you can start speaking to people about it. You can just take up your phone, call your friend on WhatsApp and start talking about any movie, any series, anything, any plans you are going to make or anything which has happened in your college or office or anywhere else. You can just take up your phone and you can start speaking in English about it. Okay, but don't forget to speak in English with people. That is going to build your confidence and fluency. Okay, so this was a short session which I wanted to take up to show you a real conversation. Okay, so that is why I planned this. I wanted to encourage you also to start speaking in English. Anybody who wants to talk to me in English on this platform in this way, you are most welcome. Right? You can just drop your comment in the comment section and I'll take up that and I'll speak with you in my sessions in this way. So guys, it's not difficult to have a conversation with people. You should just think about what you want to talk. If you know what topic you are going to take up, what you want to speak on, it will be much easier for you to have a conversation. If you directly go and start talking on the spot, it will be a little difficult for you at the moment because you will feel lost. You will not be able to recall what topic you're going to take up. So it's better you just think of a topic, frame one or two sentences to start off with, and then start speaking with people. That will help you to become confident or gain confidence while speaking in English. You just have to build that confidence. You just have to take that step to start speaking in English. And what will help? Preparation will help you. Keep the topic in mind, come up with a topic, come up with a sentence and start speaking. Okay, and don't hesitate. Stop hesitating. Okay, hesitation is like an enemy, right? It will stop you from doing something good. So take that step, start speaking in English and you will see, you will definitely be able to do it. Practice well at home. Keep practicing on different topics which are basic conversational topics. Take my sessions, start working on it and start speaking with people on it. That is very important, guys. That will help you to build fluency and confidence, right? So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.